I just bought new glasses in Taiwan. Alright, so I was having some headaches. My old pair of glasses was getting too old. I've had them for 4 years and I've been having headaches for like a month. I couldn't figure out what the headache issue was until I realized, oh, I need a new pair of glasses. Right now, I'm living in Taiwan and I had to get glasses. I was a little apprehensive about going through the whole process because my experience in the US has always been not great. It's always been slow and expensive. But I had the opposite experience here in Taiwan. I bought glasses at the train station. Yeah, alright. First off, the train station here is really nice. They have a bunch of shopping and restaurants. You could actually walk around Taipei main station and it'll take you several hours. There's probably, if you walk every aisle of Taipei main station and all the surrounding malls that it connects to, that's probably several miles of walking. I tried it one day just for exercise and it took several hours to complete. Alright, back to the story. So, I needed glasses. I walk into Taipei main station, I see this glasses place, OwnDays. They have good reviews. They're a Japanese eyeglass chain located throughout Asia and some parts of Australia, and I gave them a shot. So, I walked in, said I needed new glasses. They walked me over to the eye exam area. They took 2 tests, one where it gets a general sense of my vision, and then they fine-tune it at another machine where it's like, what's better, A or B? So we went through that process. That only took about 5 to 10 minutes. And then they gave me these lenses to try on. They made a custom pair of prescription glasses with the lenses that they had available. And then they had me walk around for about 10 minutes to test it out. After I confirmed that the glasses were working really well, I handed them back the test pair of glasses and they said, come back in 20 minutes. Came back in 20 minutes, I had a new pair of glasses. I was in and out of the eyeglass shop in 45 minutes. Oh, and the cost. So, I got the upgraded glasses. I got these, which are these super light frames with the blue light blocking and thin lenses for 4,000 new Taiwan dollars, which is about 130 US bucks. And that included everything. The eye exam, the frames, and the lenses. Also, once they handed me the glasses, they fine-tuned the tension to a comfortable tension for my head. That is a service I haven't seen in the US. And they were all super friendly. It was amazing. I've never had better service when getting eyeglasses. My experience in the US when I do buy eyeglasses is extremely slow and expensive. Best of all, I didn't have to fill out any paperwork. All I had to do is fill out some contact information for my 1-year warranty with the glasses. Speaking of the warranty, I used it the very next day. So I didn't try reading with my test lenses. So the right eye was a little bit off and was giving me headaches again. I went the very next day, said I was having problems with the lenses. They gave me another eye exam and then they gave me the test lenses. I tested that more thoroughly. And then I had another new pair of glasses in less than 20 minutes. This was all covered in the warranty. There was no deductible. I didn't have to pay any additional fees. I just walked in, said there was a problem with my glasses. They gave me a new exam, another pair of test lenses, and then they had another pair of glasses for me in 20 minutes. And I didn't have to fill out any paperwork. I just showed them my warranty and they got to work. If you're not from Taiwan or you're buying glasses in another country, you don't have to pay tax. There's a 5% tax on products in Taiwan, so as a non-Taiwan national, I get that 5% back. Yeah! In America, glasses are super expensive. It's very rare to see an optometrist on the same day to get an exam. You have to make an appointment, that could be a week in advance, and then when you show up for your appointment, you have to fill out a bunch of paperwork, your whole medical history, and then you have to provide insurance. If not, you pay even more money. And then You wait another 20 to 30 minutes to see the optometrist. They give you your eye exam, then you have to pay for everything, and then they just give you your prescription. If you want lenses, you have to wait another week or so as they process them. It's very rare that you can get them on the same day. If you can, they're going to charge you a lot more than $130. In the US, you can also buy eyeglasses online for around 50 to 60 bucks, but that typically takes a week or two for delivery. So if you need glasses in an emergency and you're in Asia, just walk into the optometrist. It's super easy and super affordable.